What's the meaning of bald? Bald. Bald.
Bald. Bald. The word bald typically refers to the absence or lack of hair on the scalp. It can also be used to describe other areas of the body where hair is expected to grow but is absent, such as eyebrows or facial hair. Baldness can occur naturally due to age, genetics, or medical conditions, but can also be caused by certain styles of hair grooming or hair loss treatments. The term bald can also have a figurative meaning when used to describe a lack or absence of something, such as a bald statement or bald fact. Overall, bald is a versatile word that can be used in a variety of contexts to describe physical appearance or metaphorical concepts.